Discover yourself, who you are, what you can do in your life. Let's ask from brain to think and talk to act accordingly.
Data type and logical operator in Python programming language. Boolean data type is built in Python programming language. Boolean value can either 0 or 1. 0 can also be referred as false or off, and 1 can be referred as true or wrong. We use Boolean in our daily life, such as turning a light on or off. When we turn on the light, the Boolean value will be 1. Similarly, when we turn off the light, the Boolean value will be 0. Before jumping into implementation, let's first learn about logical operators. Let's take an example. You went to a restaurant, and you ordered pasta and sauces for yourself. So here you want both of these things. If you get both pasta and sauces, you will be in a happy state, because the condition is fulfilled. You got your pasta and sauces. If any of the items are missing, you will not happy, because the condition is not fulfilled. This is how an operator works. If you get pasta and sauces, then it will return true, otherwise false. Similarly, understand or operator. In this case, you can get either pasta or sauces. You will be in a happy state. But if you do not get any of the items, you will be unhappy. Keep in mind the OR operator. Return true if you get either pasta or sauces, but return false if you do not get anything. Next, we have NOT operator. In this, you can say that you do not want pasta. If mistakenly you get pasta, you will not happy. So far we have covered the 3 logical operators: AND, OR, NOT. Now let's jump into the implementation in Python programming language. First, let's create 2 Boolean data type variables. First, get underscore pasta and set the value equals to true. Setting the true value means you get the pasta. Second, get underscore source and set the value equals to true. Now let's implement our first logical operator AND. For this we can create an if-else statement. If get underscore pasta and get underscore sauces, print I am happy with meal. Else, print not happy with meal. So here you know the answer. The if statement will execute because both the variables are true. Now implement OR operator. For this we have set the get source value equals to false. Now let's create an if statement. If get underscore pasta or get underscore sauces, print I am happy with meal. Else, print not happy meal. Again you know the answer. If statement will execute because you are getting the pasta. Last we have NOT operator. NOT operator turn the true value into false and false value into true. So let's create an if statement. If not get underscore pasta, print I get pasta. Else, print I did not get pasta. Here the else statement will execute because NOT operator turned the get pasta value into false. Here you can pause the video and explore a complete table for your reference. I hope you understand the concept of Booleans and the logical operator. See you in the next video.